Grocery stores make choosing pasta sauce look simple. Every jar promises home style, traditional, authentic, or made with vine-ripened tomatoes. But flip those jars around, and suddenly you'll find tomato concentrate instead of whole tomatoes, added sugars, inflammatory seed oils, unnecessary preservatives, and ingredient lists that look nothing like homemade pasta sauce. Most people never check. That's exactly why these products continue filling shopping carts every single day. So we compared ingredient labels, nutrition facts, processing methods, and overall ingredient quality to separate the worst from the best. Then we will reveal 4 better options that keep things much simpler, because the biggest name on the shelf is not always the best choice. Before we begin, remember that ingredients can vary between different products from the same brand. Recipes can also change over time, so always check the specific label before buying. Now let us expose what is really inside these jars. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Number 8. Good and Gather. Good and Gather is Target's signature food brand. Its packaging is clean, modern, and carefully designed to make the products feel fresh, simple, and wholesome. But attractive packaging does not automatically mean premium ingredients. Some Good and Gather pasta sauces have reasonable ingredient lists, while others rely on tomato puree, added sweeteners, or higher sodium levels than shoppers may expect. This is an important reminder that a brand should never be judged by its appearance alone. The front of the jar may look natural and premium, but the ingredient panel is where the real information begins. Before buying, check whether the exact variety contains added sugar, what type of oil is used, and how much sodium appears in each serving. Consumer verdict. Do not assume every Good and Gather sauce is a healthy choice. Some varieties may be acceptable, but you need to inspect the label carefully instead of trusting the branding. Number 7. Kroger. Kroger's store brand is often positioned as an affordable, dependable middle ground. It is not always the cheapest sauce on the shelf. So many shoppers may assume they are receiving a noticeable improvement in quality, but that is not necessarily the case. Depending on the variety, Kroger sauces may use tomato puree or tomato concentrate as the base and may include added sugar to balance the acidity. Some products may also contain more sodium than you would expect from a simple tomato sauce. None of these ingredients automatically makes a sauce dangerous. The problem is that shoppers may be paying for what appears to be a better product without receiving a meaningfully better ingredient list. A good pasta sauce does not need a long list of sweeteners, oils, flavorings, or fillers. Consumer verdict. Kroger may be acceptable when price matters most, but it is not automatically an upgrade from cheaper store brands. Compare the ingredients and sodium before placing it in your cart. Number 6. Great Value. Great Value is Walmart's budget-focused house brand. Its biggest selling point is obvious: it is inexpensive. For families trying to control grocery costs, that affordability can be appealing, but lower prices often require compromises somewhere in the production process. Some Great Value pasta sauces rely on tomato puree made from concentrate and include added sugar, vegetable oils, or relatively high levels of sodium. Still, the lowest priced option is rarely designed around premium olive oil, carefully selected whole tomatoes, or small batch cooking methods. The product is primarily designed to meet a price point. That does not mean you can never buy it. It means you should understand what you are receiving for the lower price. Consumer verdict. Great Value may work for a limited budget, but ingredient quality can vary. Check the label and choose the simplest variety available. Number 5. Emeralds. A celebrity chef's name creates an immediate expectation of quality. When shoppers see Emerald Lagasse on a jar, they may imagine a sauce inspired by a professional restaurant kitchen. But a famous name does not guarantee a clean or premium ingredient list. Some Emerald's pasta sauces have contained added sugar and oils that shoppers may not expect from a chef-branded product. The exact ingredients vary by flavor and may change over time, but the larger lesson remains the same. You are not necessarily purchasing restaurant-quality sauce. You are purchasing a mass-produced grocery product that carries a recognizable name. That difference matters. Consumer verdict. Do not pay a premium simply because a celebrity chef appears on the label. Judge the sauce by its ingredients, not by the person pictured on the jar. Number 4. Bertolli. Bertolli has built much of its identity around Italian cooking and olive oil. That branding creates a strong impression. You see the name and expect tomatoes, herbs, and good quality olive oil. However, ingredients can vary significantly across Bertolli's pasta sauce range. Some varieties may contain olive oil, while others may include different oils, added sugar, or ingredients that do not match the premium image shoppers associate with the brand. This does not mean every Bertolli sauce is a poor choice. It means the company's reputation should not replace label reading. The image on the front may suggest an old Italian kitchen. The ingredient list may reveal a much more conventional mass-market formula. Consumer verdict. Bertolli is not an automatic skip, but it is not an automatic premium choice either. Check the exact variety and confirm what type of oil and sweetener it contains. Number 3. Hunt's. Hunt's is widely known for canned tomatoes, tomato sauce, and ketchup. Because tomatoes are central to the brand, shoppers may assume its pasta sauce is a safe and straightforward choice. But certain Hunt's pasta sauce varieties have included added sweeteners, including corn syrup or sugar. Formulas differ, so it is important to check the exact product, rather than assuming every jar is identical. The concern is not that a small amount of sugar instantly turns pasta sauce into junk food and is properly seasoned. Sugar can be used to balance acidity, but it can also make a lower-cost tomato-based taste richer and more appealing. That is why you should look at both the ingredient list and the total added sugar per serving. Consumer verdict: choose carefully. If the variety contains several added sweeteners, leave it on the shelf and look for a simpler alternative. Number 2. Prego. Prego is one of the most recognizable pasta sauce brands in America. For many families, it is the familiar jar they have purchased for years without thinking twice. But familiarity can prevent shoppers from examining what is actually inside. Some popular Prego varieties contain added sugar, and several are noticeably sweeter than traditional tomato sauces. Prego sauces may also use tomato puree rather than whole peeled tomatoes, and sodium levels can be significant depending on the serving size. Again, none of this means that eating Prego occasionally will ruin your health, but it may not be the simple homemade style sauce the advertising encourages you to imagine. Whether that is desirable depends on what you expect from pasta sauce. Consumer verdict: Prego is familiar and affordable, but many varieties are sweeter and more processed than necessary. Look for a lower sugar option or choose a sauce with a shorter ingredient list. Number 1. Ragu. Ragu is inexpensive, widely available, and deeply familiar to generations of shoppers. Its low price makes it an easy choice for busy households. But price is only one part of the decision. Some Ragu varieties contain added sugar and use tomato puree made from concentrate rather than whole tomatoes. Sodium levels can also add up quickly, especially when a person uses more than the listed serving size. The brand offers many different products, so not every jar should be treated the same way. That familiar sweetness is not necessarily coming only from naturally sweet tomatoes. It may also come from added sugar used to create a flavor that consumers immediately recognize. Ragu is not dangerous, but if your priority is a sauce built from whole tomatoes, olive oil, herbs, and no added sweeteners, you can usually find a better choice. Consumer verdict: Ragu may be convenient and inexpensive, but many varieties offer average ingredients rather than exceptional quality. Buy it for the price, not because you believe it is equivalent to homemade sauce. Now that we have examined the brands that require a closer look, let us turn to 4 sauces that generally follow a simpler approach. These products are usually more expensive, but they tend to place greater emphasis on tomatoes, olive oil, herbs, and fewer unnecessary additions. Better choice number 4. Mezzetta. Mezzetta may be best known for olives, peppers, and specialty condiments, but its pasta sauces deserve attention too. Many Mezzetta varieties use California-grown tomatoes and keep the ingredient list relatively straightforward. Depending on the product, you may find tomatoes, olive oil, onion, garlic, herbs, salt, and spices without a long list of sweeteners or fillers. The flavor is usually brighter and more tomato-forward than many heavily sweetened supermarket sauces. As always, ingredients vary by variety, so check the individual jar. Mezzetta often provides a better balance between accessibility, flavor, and ingredient quality. Consumer verdict: a strong supermarket option for shoppers who want a fresher tomato flavor and a relatively simple ingredient list. Better choice number 3. Carbone. Carbone is inspired by the famous New York restaurant of the same name. Unlike many products that simply place a restaurant logo on ordinary food, Carbone's sauces are generally positioned as genuinely premium products. Several varieties use Italian tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic, herbs, and seasonings without relying heavily on added sugar. The sauces are rich, smooth, and designed to deliver a restaurant-style flavor. However, you should still read the exact label because ingredients and nutrition can differ between flavors. Carbone also comes with a premium price tag. You are paying more for the branding, ingredients, packaging, and flavor profile. Consumer verdict: a high-quality option for shoppers willing to pay more for rich flavor and a simpler formula. Better choice number 2. Victoria. Victoria is often recommended by pasta sauce enthusiasts because many of its products focus on straightforward ingredients and a slow-cooked flavor. Its sauces commonly use tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic, herbs, and spices without turning the sauce excessively sweet. The company offers several varieties, so you should still compare labels. But Victoria generally avoids the candy-like sweetness found in some mainstream sauces. The result is a sauce that tastes more like tomatoes and herbs rather than sugar and seasoning. Victoria may not have the same level of attention as some more heavily advertised premium brands, but it has built a loyal following for good reason. Consumer verdict: a reliable premium choice with rich flavor and generally simple ingredients. Better choice number 1, Ragu's Homemade. Ragu's Homemade has become one of the most recognized premium pasta sauce brands on the market, and in many cases its reputation is deserved. Ragu's Marinara is known for using Italian whole-peeled tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. The texture is rich, the flavor is balanced, and the ingredient list is closer to what many people would use in a homemade sauce. However, quality comes with a cost. Ragu's is often considerably more expensive than mainstream brands. But if ingredient quality and flavor are your priorities, Ragu's remains one of the strongest widely available options. Consumer verdict: one of the best overall choices for simple ingredients, no added sugar, and rich tomato flavor. Final verdict: the biggest lesson is not that every inexpensive sauce is bad or that every premium sauce is automatically good. The real lesson is that marketing rarely tells the complete story. Words like traditional, homestyle, authentic, and Italian-inspired are not proof of ingredient quality. The only reliable way to know what you are purchasing is to turn the jar around. Start with the ingredient list. Look for tomatoes near the beginning. Check whether the sauce contains added sugar. Pay attention to the type of oil being used. Review the sodium per serving. A higher price does not always guarantee a better product, but sauces made with flavorful tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, onion, and herbs often do not need excessive sugar or unnecessary additives to taste good. And you do not need to throw away every jar already in your pantry. You simply need to become a more informed shopper. Because once you understand how to read the label, it becomes much harder for clever packaging to influence your decision. That is exactly why the Food Expose exists. We look beyond the advertising, we examine the ingredients, and we reveal what companies would rather you overlook. Subscribe for more investigations because the next product we expose may already be sitting inside your kitchen.